US investment green card. $800,000 must have legally documented money. Exit period after 3 years. Shuda LP 6302946180.
Yes.
After 10 years, Mr. Rahul Gandhi has taken this responsibility. Please tell me about it.
Rahul Gandhi ji is not only our leader, he is the main voice against the communal forces, he is the main voice against all the corruption charges of the BJP government for the last 10 years. He is the main voice who is fighting on the street, who is Jol Jatra or Jol Jatra or Nya Jatra. He is making his voice pro-people. So we are very glad that he is now, whatever he was talking earlier in the street or within the party or outside the party and with the people, for the people, that voice will be listened by everyone in the Lok Sabha.
First time in Indian history, the speaker election has been.
Yes. Yeah. So obviously it's a democratic country, so everything should be in the democratic way.
BJP is saying because of India could be demanding the deputy speaker because of the Indian only election, speaker election. Otherwise, speaker elections anonymously.
BJP's
Ma'am, one more thing. Now the PCC chief, Telangana PCC chief term is finished. Who is coming the next PCC? 27th of this month.
You said yes, there is no tenure of any PCC president. It depends on the party thinking and party decision. So there is no fixed tenure of a PCC president.
Any exercise is going on in the AICC for new PCC?
We have lot of decision we take soon in the organization and the structure. So I cannot tell it now because it is all hypothetical question you are asking. So whenever the things will come in a proper shape, you will come to it.
You are more concentration on Telangana. Now, how is going Telangana? How is implemented schemes and guarantees in Telangana?
These guarantees are already been started implementing, and also there are some guarantees which need a huge funding. And all of you know that the last government has put Telangana into a huge debt. So we have to recover that. We have to go for infrastructural work. We have to go for developmental work. We have to fight against all odds because sometimes also being a Congress government, Central doesn't look towards the Congress government. They curtail their funds also. So we are fighting. It's a huge challenge in front of the government of Telangana. So as a party also we are supporting fully. The government should implement whatever ideas we have given, not only before assembly but before parliament also. Congress manifesto should be also implemented.
When is the cabinet expansion in Telangana? Is there any possibility there?
We are trying to get it resolved very soon.
One more thing, lot of MLAs are coming to joining in Congress party. What is the magic? Congress is attracted a lot of MLAs. Already 5 MLAs are already joined.
Look, there is no magic. It is the decision of the MLAs because of Congress after getting into the government. A lot of developmental work has been started. So people are also thinking in a different way. Telangana, we all know that basically there were Congress party only from Rajshekhar Reddy's time. Then Chandrababu Naidu's time there was TDP party. So people from Chandrababu Naidu party also shifted to Congress. From our party also some of the people joined TDP. Then they joined BRS. Now they are coming back to Congress. So for some people it is a ghar wapsi. For some people it is new joining. So I will see this that after seeing lot of development work, the MLAs are coming. So that is the magic.
Now your government is very strong. ఓకే మ్యామ్ థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్. ఇక ఇది పరిస్థితి. అయితే కొత్త పీసీసీ చీఫ్ ఎంపిక జరుగుతోంది. దానికి ఇంకా టైం పడుతుంది. ప్రస్తుత పీసీసీ చీఫ్ టర్మ్ అనేది ఏమి ఇంకా లేదు. ఆయన కంటిన్యూ అవుతున్నారు. అయితే కొత్త పీసీసీ చీఫ్ త్వరలో వస్తారు. దాంతోపాటు తెలంగాణ గవర్నమెంట్ స్కీమ్స్ అన్ని కూడా బాగా ఇంప్లిమెంట్ చేస్తుందని చెప్పి కాంగ్రెస్ రాష్ట్ర వ్యవహారాల ఇన్ఛార్జ్ దీపాదాస్ నుంచి చెప్తున్నారు. రామకృష్ణ, RTV, న్యూఢిల్లీ.
మరిన్ని వీడియోస్ కోసం ఛానల్ ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. లేటెస్ట్ అప్డేట్స్ కోసం వాట్సాప్ ఛానల్ ని ఫాలో చేయండి. అండ్ లింక్ డిస్క్రిప్షన్ లో ఉంది.